Namaste. Voice is connected with vibrations. Vibrations are connected with the tattva or the element space ether. Of all the five elements, space, air, fire, water, earth, space is the subtlest. Also, the universe was first believed to have started with the sound. So, in many traditions, they speak of how first there was the word or the sound and so on. So, that's great. And human beings have, or in fact, most living beings have the ability to create some kind of sound. When we create a good quality sound, we impact our world very positively and in ways that can benefit us hugely. Unfortunately, creating sound is obviously dependent on the instruments used to create sound. In the human beings, we call it the voice box, but it's a lot more than just the voice box. There is a whole system here. We've got the major chakras, and they play an important role as well. If your breathing system, if your nadis are cleared and cleansed, you will be able to turn out a fairly good quality of voice. Your breathing as you speak, etc., will be of the right quality, so that of the right type, so that you're able to turn out a good quality voice. A good quality voice can impact your own future, your own destiny, and your work, etc., very positively. Of course, it's essential for singers and public speakers and those in the media, and also for company executives who need to talk to people and get their ideas across. So what you say matters a lot, but how you say it, the way it is delivered, matters equally as much. When you have a powerful resonant voice, you can make a huge impact on your audience. To have a powerful resonant voice, you need to clear your system, which means you need to be able to cleanse the system which creates the sound. Breathwork helps immensely in this. I am sharing a video with you just to show you a song, just to show you how it can be done with breathwork and what happens then. Remember, I'm not a trained singer, but this is only to demonstrate the power of a good voice, which has been cleansed and so on. It's a Hindi song, Ye Raatein. ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा. ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, चंचल हवा. कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा. ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा. ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में. ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागिनी में. ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा. ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा. I hope you're noticing something. सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा. सितारों की महफिल में करके इशारा. कहा अब तो सारा जहां है तुम्हारा. मोहब्बत जवां हो, खुला आसमां हो, करे कोई दिल आरज़ू और क्या। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। What a beautiful song. कसम है तुम्हें तुम अगर मुझसे रूठे, कसम है तुम्हें तुम अगर मुझसे रूठे, रहे सांस जब तक ये बंधन न टूटे। तुम्हें दिल दिया है, ये वादा किया है, सनम मैं तुम्हारी रहूंगी सदा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा। Such a beautiful song. It's a duet, but I had to sign the man and the woman's part both. I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it. But more importantly, I hope you learned how your breath can actually impact the quality of your voice. And if you learn techniques, if you do certain cleansing techniques to clear your system, your nadis, your lungs, and so on, you will be able to turn out a great quality voice. Connect with me and we'll see how we can take you ahead. Namaste.